Hello, beautiful family, lovers of good things, lovers of beautiful things all over the globe. I bring greetings from a grateful heart. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on your time zone. Thank you so dearly for always tuning into this platform. I really do appreciate. Please do it to like our video, share, and subscribe. Today, I have a wonderful one that I want us to watch, and I will be watching it with you. Sit back, watch it, and I'll be right back.
And his team. That is the truth. Ejiofor refused to even allow Barrister Ejimakor to stand up one day and speak in the court. Even when Mazi Nnamdi Kanu said, allow him. I want both of you to work together. Okay, you are the lead counsel. Allow Ejimakor one day to say something. Because Ejimakor want to throw in rendition. Ejiofor didn't want it. Ejiofor try his best for one day. He didn't call. Even if they had meeting with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, said, today he's going to say something. Ejiofor will not call him. He will and Ajacha court case. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will just go home and only got lock wire. The next 3 months, I be also a whip one count charge. I'm no Mazi Nnamdi Kanu po. Mazi Nnamdi Chineke, what the hell is this? Anozi, and I got into treason. While rendition is the key that there should not be any prosecution. There should not be no proceeding. With rendition, the only thing he need to come and say, Your Honor, according to international law, Nnamdi Kanu, Mr. Kanu was renditioned. Based on that, there should be no trial. Only one thing. Ejiofor didn't want to say it. Ejiofor didn't want to allow somebody else to come to say it. Even the time that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was so tired and said, okay, you are fired. Tomorrow, hand over to this man. I want him, because if we continue this thing, this guy can charge him for treason. Finally, they came to the court. Yeah, Ejimakor, Bapu Balaga. He said, oh, since that time, there was no time. They didn't talk about the victory we have in the United Nations, which it has to do with Barrister Ejimakor. Barrister Ejimakor, if anything, any no, Basra Mazi Nnamdi Kanu all around the world with the victory. Barrister Ejimakor fingerprint here. And learn. Ojiwe, that day, ahapụrụ ya n'echi gbachi ụzọ akpọbata here. Ejiwe say, I am done in this Abuja case. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, we have to take this thing and go to Umuahia. Yeah, General Umuahia, file this thing. Since I filed the thing and win a victory. Ejimakor, for the record, Ejiofor, for the record, has not filed anything since 16 months for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. He has never filed anything. He has not objected anything. He has not written any application. Nothing. Zippo to today. Everything I filed, the union I filed concerning Mazi Nnamdi Kanu in Nigeria, all Ejimakor. Chineke, aga m anwụ n'eziokwu. Aga m anwụ n'eziokwu. Ihe ruru m, ihe rute m aka. Onye na-achọghị inye m ihe ruru m, Chineke wepụ ya, weta onye ọzọ ga-enye m ihe ruru m. Ugbu a now, Chikedoziem and his group of Akpakaratingom, that idiot call himself Chikedoziem, has been working on the ground with Ejiofor to tarnish the image of Barrister Ejimakor. Now, what has Ejiofor done since 1 year and 7 months, or 1 year and 5 months, or whatever? Nothing. No, Ejiofor has not gotten one single victory in that high court. Nothing. If Barrister Ejimakor did not file with Kanu, that did not file that case they filed 2 months ago, we wouldn't have had this thing. Ejimakor would have still been with Bintanyahu. Now, Bintanyahu. Every day, I say, plan like what count charge. Victory is ours. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu would have been charged for treason. But now, Ejimakor is changing the dynamics. Atropona treason. Before, a na-arịọ ka ọ ghara iwu treason. Ngwanụ ka enye 5 years, ka enye 10 years. Ugbu a na atropona treason. Ikwugozi okwu, you cannot try him. Gwanụ Ejiofor si ya were the statement. Kwa statement ka na-akpọ ya. N'ihe na-akpọ ya na German. Adịmechite ya na German. Ya were the statement from the court of Umuahia. Present ya na Bintanyahu that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu truly was renditioned. And based on that, you cannot try him anymore. It is illegal, international and locally. It is a treaty that Nigeria signed into. Now, wherever those two things file here to the court, Bintanyahu will hand over, will hands up, because all black and white. This is what Bintanyahu was waiting to hear from Ejimakor 9 months ago. Ejiofor prevented him from coming in. Balaga. I don't want to go further. It is a shame to have a lot of people that surrounded Mazi Nnamdi Kanu that has helped to prosecute Barrister Ejimakor and prevented people from knowing the truth, that he is the only one in Nigeria doing the work of a lawyer for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. The other ones will monkey the work by who they chop. Lawyers that has not written any application, has not filed a motion for their client, has not challenged anything since only Hanema at their court. Oh yeah, honor, oh you bye bye, hala, nothing. They have not written anything. I know I charge Mazi Nnamdi Kanu for treason minus Ejimakor. So because ka kelee no Barrister Ejimakor, ka kena na ya mmanya, kujuo na ya mmanya ka ọ ṅụọ na ọ kajara akaja. Barrister Aloy Ejimakor kajara akaja. Akwụkwọ ọgụrụ na America ọwụ ihe furu kpọrọ. Somebody said, oh no, don't praise him. Since 1 year, you people has been, I spoke to a lot of people in DOS. You put Oku Barrister Ejimakor. I said, oh no. This so-called Ejiofor, ya ga out n'ọjị, onye ọbụla Mazi Nnamdi Kanu jiri ya oji. Eji ha sị, okay, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu sị na ngwa gị na ọ naanị m ga-abịa na-ezighị oji. Otu oji blackmail cha everywhere, wishing everywhere, so that people who Barrister Ejimakor HMO or Sabo or onye ọjọọ, but ọ naanị ya nwere the truth from ihe ọbụla Barrister Ejimakor gwara gị about Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Ọ na-eti ọ na-ewepụ ewepụ. Ọ na-eti ọ na-ewepụ ewepụ. And I saw I was told by Divine Mother, I didn't know, I didn't read it, that Uzokome congratulated Ejimakor. It's about time. It's about time. Oh, the last time in the Netanyahu's court, why don't you remember the UN decision? He forgot. Why don't you remember the Umuahia ruling? He forgot. He's a lawyer. His client has a victory. Instead of him to cite that judgment of the judge, said, Your Honor, this court has ruled on behalf of our client. So. He didn't. Okay. And they have nothing to show for. Now, the victory is ours. Ekelene barrister, my lawyer Ejimakor, or Kaja. Without him, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu would have been facing treason charges. And now it is clear. Even you don't need a prophet. You don't need me to tell you that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu got, because it is clear. Or the clear. And all these aquacrating gum, it's how they happy. Nah, not like clear na Mazi Nnamdi Kanu got. They are not happy. Each and aquacrating, each and chicken doesn't they happy. Now all this development. Not the clear na Mazi Nnamdi Kanu got. Each and all this recharge card. Aquacrating gum, they commit themselves. Each and they graga. They create an account all around the world. Ndesi Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is in the past. Ndesi Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is like Uber founder that was removed. Ndesi Mazi Nnamdi Kanu for negative attitude. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu na palace na atawa. Now the family, the house, the palace of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's father is Sodom and Gomorrah. It's unlike Sodom and Gomorrah. Every mwani no mwani befa no aro nwefa akanik. Ichenaga hari happy. Now all the like clear na Mazi Nnamdi Kanu gaputa. If you think so, something is wrong with your head. If you think that all this recharge card, they happy, now things are changing. I'm not one idiot. The lady say, can you name? Oh, no, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu pota. Yes, I park here. Do you think that they're happy? No.
My word, that brings us to the end of this beautiful update. Do where to like this video, share and subscribe. The best thing for you to do is to join this family by smashing on that red subscribe button that says subscribe and turn on the bell icon for more latest updates. See you when I see you. From me to you, I say bye.